Still thinking about you. Still thinking about you.
Xiong Beatz.
Late night staring at my phone, but I know you're not coming home. I call you but you don't reply. It hurts more than you know. Pictures hanging on my wall, memories I can't let fall. I thought that we would last forever, but forever wasn't ours at all. I gave you all my heart, I didn't hold anything back. Now I'm drowning in the dark ever since you said just let me go. Why you gotta leave me lonely? Cold seems Hlub only. You said that you would hold me, now you're gone and you don't know me. I'm trying just to be okay, but my heart still breaks. If love was real, then tell me why it hurts this much to walk away. Everybody says I'll heal, but they don't know how this feels. I still see you in my dreams, even when I try to move on. You look happy, I can tell, like I never meant that much. I'm still standing where we left off while you're already out of touch. Was I never enough for you, or did I love you way too much? I gave you everything I had, now I'm the one stuck in the dust. Why you gotta leave me lonely? Cold seems so cold. You said that you would hold me, now you're gone and you don't know me. I'm trying just to be okay, but my heart still breaks. If love was real, then tell me why it hurts this much